Hey, what's up, guys? John here again. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some simple troubleshooting when you have a check engine light and you are running your vehicle, and for some reason you're accelerating and you feel like your vehicle is not holding boost. Something around the lines of either the turbo having some kind of issue or something, and you get a check engine light at the same time, and you have that loss of power feeling on your vehicle. Anyway, that's what I experienced, and at the same time I got a check engine light, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to kind of diagnose what to look for. Pretty simple stuff, especially if you know your way around the engine bay on the BMW 335i E90. Uh, anyways, let's kind of show you some of the steps, what to look for, and hopefully this helps you guys out. And hit a like and subscribe. I'll have more videos to kind of show you guys on how to do DIY stuff. And this is my vehicle, and hope you guys like it. Yeah, I was driving and I felt that the car hesitated when I was accelerating. So, I started doing some more research. So I figured maybe I should diagnose and look. So I figured I'm going to start with some of these vacuum lines. And so I started looking to see if maybe there's a clamp that's loose, or a line that may be broken. And I was inspecting them, and I get down to the actual inlet for the throttle body, and I notice that my is completely disconnected from the actual throttle body. Anyway, if you look at the actual unit, and it's moving back and forth, and it's off of the actual, I don't know if you guys can see it there or not, but it's completely removed. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but like towards the edge of this right in this area, if you look at the piping, it's actually broken. And remove this. There we go. Squeeze them back in. There it is. There it is. This is what I was talking about earlier. I got that check engine light, and if you look at my charge pipe being failed. I'm not sure what size it is, so this one here. I'll go ahead and figure that out, and then loosen up the strap here, the metal tie pipe. So yeah, that was a T30 torque wrench. And I went ahead and loosened that up. You just gotta remove the bolt. So anyway, just removed the loosened and removed the actual charge pipe from this end, and I just loosened the charge pipe sensor, and that sensor there has two T25 yes, it's the 25 torque wrench. So just remove those, and just gotta loosen this up now. Some people make it look real easy on the internet, but hey guys, and that's how you diagnose the problem for the charge pipe. I went ahead and ordered an FTP aluminum charge pipe. If you notice, it's down here. And I went ahead and replaced it, and sorry I didn't show you guys how I installed it, but it goes in pretty much the same way that the other one came out. Just plugs in here. It comes with this small adapter that connects down to the intercooler, and the other end, obviously it's aluminum now, so it's not gonna break, and it's got the clip right there, and yeah, so that's how you diagnose, and obviously you want to replace it once it's broken. So anyway, guys, if this video was any somewhat helpful, like and subscribe. We're gonna have more videos coming up showing you how to do other various things on your BMW. For example, how to install DCIs, how to do the strut brace, how to do a catch can, several other items, downpipes. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, like I said, like and subscribe. Thanks.